Hello, I'm Daniel with CiES Fuel Senders based in Bend, Oregon. At CiES, we have pioneered a fundamentally new approach to fuel quantity measurement in aviation, delivering significantly greater safety, accuracy, and reliability than legacy systems. For decades, aircraft fuel quantity systems have relied on electrical signals inside the fuel tank. That means electrical current inside an area filled with fuel vapor. It's a design that works, but it comes with maintenance issues and potential hazards. Our team set out to change that. What we created is a magnetic field-based fuel quantity system, a technology that eliminates electrical contact within the fuel tank entirely. It's a simple idea, but it improves on everything. If you've worked with fuel senders before, you know the legacy design well. A resistive track, a float arm, and a wiper that moves along that track as the fuel level changes. The wiper slides along the resistive element, creating a variable voltage or resistance signal that tells the gauge how much fuel is in the tank. This method has been used since the early days of aviation, and it works, but it's far from perfect. Over time, the wiper or resistive element can corrode or wear away. Even worse, these systems carry electrical current inside the tank. While modern aircraft design mitigates those risks, any spark potential in the tank with fuel vapor is something that should be taken very seriously. So there had to be a better way. Our solution was to completely remove electrical contact from the fuel tank. CiES fuel senders use magnetic coupling, a non-contact method of measurement where the float's movement changes a magnetic field, and that field is contained inside of a machined aluminum housing. In other words, no electricity ever enters the tank. We read the position of the float magnetically with precision sensors sealed entirely outside the fuel environment. This means no wipers, no resistive tracks, and no fuel-saturated components that could degrade or corrode. That makes the system intrinsically safe. Intrinsically safe is a term used in aviation certification that means incapable of producing a spark or a heat source capable of ignition, even under fault conditions. And because the CiES system is digital by design, the output is extremely stable and accurate. It doesn't drift over time, and it isn't affected by fuel type, temperature, or vibration. The result is a completely modern measurement system, one that's both safer and involves less maintenance over time. Safety and compliance are everything in aviation. CiES fuel senders meet the highest FAA technical standard order, TSO C55A for fuel quantity systems, and are tested to DO 160 and AS 405C environmental standards. That means they've been validated for temperature extremes and vibration and electrical interference. This isn't just theoretical safety. Our technology has been proven in service across thousands of aircraft operating every day, from experimental aircraft to certified OEM platforms. Pilots immediately notice the difference. In traditional systems, you often see lagging, fluctuating, or inconsistent readings, especially in turbulence or during maneuvers. CiES sensors provide a controlled and predictable response that reflects true fuel level in real time. Our signal has been dampened electronically to avoid the constant oscillations caused by turbulence. Because our sensors are digital, they communicate cleanly with modern avionics, glass panels, EFIS systems, and integrated fuel management software. That means that what the pilot sees on the screen is accurate, stable, and reliable throughout every phase of flight. And from a maintenance perspective, there's virtually nothing to service. No mechanical wear, no corrosion, and no electrical components exposed to fuel. It's a lifetime sensor, and it's designed to stay in calibration for the life of the aircraft. At CiES, we're engineers at heart. Our goal wasn't simply to improve existing technology, it was to eliminate the weaknesses entirely. That mindset drives how we design, build, and test every sensor. Every CiES sender is manufactured and tested right here in Bend, Oregon, where we oversee every step of the process. We believe the best way to ensure safety and accuracy in aviation is through innovation. Innovation that makes systems more robust and foolproof. Magnetic field fuel measurement is the embodiment of that idea. Fuel measurement might not be the flashiest topic in aviation, but it's one of the most critical. Knowing exactly how much fuel you have at any given moment is fundamental to flight safety. At CiES, we're proud to have developed an accurate sender that doesn't add electrical current inside the tank. Our vision is to see magnetic field instrumentation become the new standard for aviation, from fuel quantity measurement and angle of attack detection to flap control and power control. We have seen how this technology can surpass legacy approaches, delivering safer, more precise, and more enjoyable flying experiences for all aviators. Whether you're an OEM designing your next airframe, an avionics integrator, or a pilot who simply wants accurate, trustworthy fuel data, CiES fuel senders are redefining what's possible in fuel measurement. I'm Daniel, and on behalf of our team here at CiES, thank you for taking the time to learn about our technology. We're proud to be pioneering the future of fuel measurement, and we invite you to be part of it.